Is the camera on? Okay, it's on. Hey guys, it's Tia. Today I'm gonna do a makeup inspired by chestnut. It's my favorite snack during the winter. I'm just gonna do a makeup look because I love it. I'm gonna start my makeup with the foundation from Maybelline.
This is the Fit Me Foundation Matte and Poreless for normal to oily skin. It's in the shade of 310.
Basically, it's a 10 shade darker than my skin color.
But because chestnut is brown, I'm gonna wear brown foundation today.
Normally, I just apply a little bit of foundation onto my skin. But because this shade is darker than my skin, I need it to cover everything. So I use a larger amount than usual. It's like super dark in real life, guys, but it's just don't know why it doesn't show on camera. This is not working. I'm gonna use this yellow light. I'm gonna use my favorite concealer palette, this one. I'm gonna use this shade right here. This is the 3C Face Turning Concealer Palette. I'm using the shade Peach to cover my dark circle. I'm afraid it's gonna be too pale. It seems like it's okay. The next step, I'm gonna use my favorite eyebrow pencil from IDONTHINKSO. It's a Korean brand. This one is pretty affordable and it's my favorite, guys. Brush it in using a spoolie.
It's always the trouble to match the second brow to the first brow, but it's okay, I'll try.
Skin's done and eyebrows are done. You guys think it's good? I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow today. I'm just gonna go straight into my contour step. This is Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I'm gonna use this fluffy small little thing. Just gotta like dip it in here and bronze my skin. Now I'm gonna use this contour brush from Real Techniques. I'm gonna just tap some of this in.
So for me, makeup is just to have fun, you know? It doesn't have to be exact. Contour. A little bit on my forehead here.
Next step, I'm gonna use this gel eyeliner from Tonymoly in black. And I'm gonna use a small flat brush. So the difficult part is to match the second eye to the first eyes. It can be a disaster. Next time I'm gonna use this Japanese mascara from HEROINE, I think it's called. HEROINE Make. It's the long and curved mascara, super waterproof. Anyway, super long name. I will leave everything in the description box below for your information. I'm just gonna apply mascara to my bottom lashes. Eyes makeup are pretty done. I'm gonna go ahead with BBIA Velvet Lip Tint version 8 and this is in color 38 Finch Fine. This is like a brown brick color. It's very pretty and it's like chestnut color. I'm just gonna use it as my brush for today. I'm just gonna spread it out with my finger.
Chestnut baby.
Here. I'm just gonna blend this. And with the bronzer earlier, I'm just gonna put some over it.
To create like a browish effect. Because I'm chestnut today, remember?
Use the same lipstick color. Now I have the chestnut lips. You guys think so as well?
Okay, so this is my hair down.
Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye!